Hello, hello. Welcome back. It's been so long. I feel like it's been so long. I think the last time I had a real normal stream was almost a week ago. I wanted to relax. I just wanted to play and talk. I guess. I'm still quite tired because I messed up my sleep a little. Yes, I was saving up to buy a truck. Great job, yes, high value cargo. Last time chat told me not to do high value cargo. But I wanna do it. I'll just be careful. There's no way I'm taking down any signs. As long as I don't have to take the ferry. We can listen to country music. No, people hate country. Engine on. Okay, let's go. Nice and easy. Nice and calm. Don't blink if you're not blinking, buddy. We're fine. High value cargo. Oh, this isn't so bad. There's not even any signs here. I don't see any cars. That was not a pedestrian yet, so everything should be fine. Well, I'm following the law as I should, right? Oh, oops. Oh, that wasn't a pedestrian. Oh, no cameras. Okay, don't break the speed limit here. It's okay. We have a little mirror boys. Oh no, there's a police car. I wonder what would happen if we hit the police car with a pressure tank. Oh, look at the houses. So cute. What's with the light? Oh, it's a street light. Oh, sorry. I'm going straight. I promise. Oh, bus. Hello, Bus-kun. Are you also going to deliver a high pressure tank? No? That makes sense. Yes, speed limit. Yes, speed limit. Okay. Oh, I see it. We're almost there. I want my money. It would be nice to get paid. Sorry, no, I don't have time to look at the road. I'm looking at the planes. Okay, let's slow down. I'm pressing slow down. It's fine. Can't see because of my stupid mirror. It's night, so it should be fine. Okay, almost there. I didn't hit anything this time, right? No way! Wait. So let's take this one. Oh, this is fancy. Oh, I just gotta hurry then. No. Soft curve. Don't hit the sign. Yes. No. Please. That's okay. We're on a bridge. Yay! It just sounds like the truck is dying, and now I'm going 90. If the truck breaks down, it's not my fault. $70. Oh no. Come on! It just changed over to 70. How much was that? Like 600 euros? I can't afford that. Stupid 70 sign. You owe me 600 euros, buddy. Don't mind me, police car. Just carry on. I'm not smuggling fish. Can I smuggle cocaine? Oh, avocados. Okay, I'm just waiting until I'm at the point where at least not causing an accident. I'm gonna cause an accident. Where's the white car? Did it turn? Oh. Oh. Please move. I don't know what's going on. Is this legal? Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? What's that? Have fun with your burning car. We're just having a very relaxing driving trucking day today. And I haven't hit any signs or cars today. No fucking way you did that! You psycho! You drive like me! Don't you dare! Nobody has died while I've been driving. I've been avoiding the ferry. That's what's really been happening. I've been avoiding the ferry. I didn't even have time to slow down. Sure, I should have seen the sign coming, but you know. You missed when All Stars started playing on the radio. Other than the speeding ticket, that's pretty good. No ferry here. Yeah, let's take that. Oh, fancy. Ah! I didn't hit the sign! Nice! I had everything under control. Stupid Copenhagen. Nobody likes you. No, I'm so sorry. I wanted to brake, but then I was like, what if I don't brake? And then I didn't. Okay, and I have learned from last time. It's fine. If it's sexual, you don't need to say it. So I don't know how the hell those days passed. What have I been doing? Have I just been sleeping? I don't know. Who knows? Ah. Dude! Yay! It's raining! Look at the windshield wipers! Yay! Just like, oh, f off! Oh, look at all this thunder rain! Yay! No matter how much I whip to the side, the water won't fall off the leaf. I've really been studying this. It's just one of those things science can't explain. But I don't know, maybe. Ah, I'm not speeding. Oh. Excuse me, I'm going to Albo. This is fine. Please. Yes, thank you for braking. Does it smell like something's burning? You don't think so? Maybe there's not a fire. That teach her to speak and read and write. I don't know, it sounds cute. I have a little bit of practice in this game, but I still do some very dangerous things from time to time. I'm pressing slow down. Fine. Okay, we got this. Is this up a little further? Is it too bent? Really? I think that's pretty straight. Really? I need to go backwards? Okay. Do I need to just go straight back? Is it not straight? Wouldn't it make more sense to try and then straighten up the back trailer and then like go forward until the back trailer is straight? And then back up? No. It keeps doing it. It would be hard for you to go back with two trailers. I know, I'm really bad at backing up with trailers. I could go all the way around and try again. Wait, no! This is a dead end! No! No, it squishes it! I don't know what to do. Oh. Wait, what do I do now? It's gonna squish? I can't do it! You're not gonna accept this, are you? Okay, let's skip it. But yes, skip. My foot is stuck in my blanket. Then we can get our own truck. We can paint it yellow and we can call it Old Betsy. 8,000 For smoked sprats? Can we do smoked sprats? Smoked sprats. My brain just like... Oh, look how nice the steering wheel is on this one. Delivering fish this time as well. For smoked sprats? Hey, polar fish. Nice to see you again. But I also did these fish last time. For smoked sprats? We are gonna deliver these fish and we're gonna get our own truck and we're gonna call her Old Betsy. That was dangerous, that was dangerous. Ah! Ah! Oh, the sign! No, the first sign of the day! I forgot I had to turn. Ah! Please change lane, boss. Okay, you're just gonna do that? Okay, everything's fine. Please. These cars don't know how to drive. Making fun of the other drivers makes me feel better, okay? You know, 1 or 2 signs is really not that bad considering last time I hit like 2 cars. Aww. Oh no, is that construction? My mortal enemy. Ah, I'm breaking. Look, there's toilets! Those toilets are magical. How do they work? Are they just a hole? Don't worry, Engine Kun, I got you. It's fine. I didn't break the line. Really like the first season. Yeah, I really should, shouldn't I? Fuck! I tried to pull every brake. Crash vehicle offense. Listen here, what else am I supposed to do? I was doing so good. That's what I get when my supervisor leaves. Fuck! Usually I have a swear as little as possible policy, but right now that's not happening. Oh, it's okay. I'm kind of sus too. I have a eternally wet leaf on my head. Well, I'll try not to crash anymore. The only thing that matters is the fact that this is not my truck. Just way within those 42 days. Can I go? It's red. Okay, thank you. Scandinavian languages. Was that a Scandinavian language you saw before? Yes, I am from Denmark, so that would be Danish you saw.
I don't think did I really play that? I don't know. Logan, not Paul, got in touch.
Culture.
Simulator radio, he's joking.
What about Norway? Well, Norway sucks. I thought I could jinx it. Not jinx it, juke it. Yeet it through? Mind. It was only a little bit of damage. Look, the police didn't even notice. Our fish is fine. For smoked sprats? It's fine. You know what? Considering the 3-4 crashes on this road, maybe the ferry isn't so bad. I can't see if there's anyone behind me because my mirror's gone. Look, I can't even see if I'm hitting the signs because my mirror's gone. How is driving? Not great because nobody changes lane whenever I'm merging into the highway. I'm braking all I can. How is the damage lower than before? How the hell am I supposed to press the brake when I can't move my legs because they're stuck between the wheel and the side of my seat? Reach my goal. Okay, where do you want it? Sorry, I'm in a hurry. That's not happening. Too sharp. Thank you. For smoke spreads?